And we're back with another knife review. Today it's going to be the Bestech Bison. Let's see what we got here. Got our typical warranty card, our cleaning cloth, and our Bestech carrying case. If you notice, I just throw everything to the side because we're not here to look at cases. Alright, so this is the Bestech Bison. At first glance, you'll notice that it is 8.375 inches overall. So it's somewhat of a long knife, but not to the length of the Fanga or the Ascot. It is a G10 handle material. The blade finish is stonewash. It's a D2 blade, and it's in a drop point style with a flat grind plain blade. The weight is 4.3 ounces. It is a tip-up pocket carry. The pocket clip is stainless steel. It has a ball bearing for its pivot system. It is a frame lock. Has an elongated hole to accommodate multiple sizes of paracord. It is a flipper, manual. The liner, in this case, which is the back piece, is titanium, which makes me wonder if the pocket clip isn't also titanium. But it said on the review that it was a, well, in the literature, that it wasn't. I'll have to check into that and get back to you. They look almost identical. I know you can't tell titanium from a glance, but they look the same to me. Alright, so this is the Bestech Bison. Right-handed carry, tip-up, manual flipper. Let's get to the showing you how it cuts. Since it is D2, it's going to cut very easily. I don't think I've ever met a D2 knife that did not cut smoothly and quickly. I know one of my favorite knives, the Ontario Rat in D2, cuts very nicely. As you can see there, it just goes right through it. So it cuts very smoothly. We'll bring out some cardboard here, since we're all cardboard warriors. We'll cut from the front of the blade to the back, and the back to the front. As you can see, it cuts real smooth and accurately. Looks like it would also be a very nice slashing knife. As you can see, it cuts through that with ease. We'll flip it a couple of times there for you. It's a little harder for me to do because I'm trying to present you the knife. So work it from your side as if you're almost holding it. Alright, so once again, this is the Bestech Bison folder. I think I forgot to mention the back spacer. Also, you should be able to see that in there. Try to get it on your screen. For those of you watching on Instagram, make sure you follow @Atlantic Knife. Keep up with our giveaways our daily reviews, all our other knife news. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We post reviews every day pretty much. We do tons of 1-minute reviews, or just quick little no volume. Well, it has volume, but no commentary. You just take a peek at the knife and see if it's something you like. Gives you a minute to check on something that you were interested in buying. On that note, Bestech Bison. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.